Shout out to Destiny 399 for this very bad trade. Sorry, but good try. OMG, I'm filming too. Hello. That's really cool. Okay. Well, so she's filming. Hello. Will you trust me with your bicep? I trade it back. Sure. I hope this isn't sure. Sure. Okay. Okay, sure. Then will you trust me with that? So my best 2 items are on Okay. Okay, I'm recording, so I have her user. I'm recording. I have your user. Okay, so now I guess I have to yeah. What? Hey, I'm doing something. Playing Animal Jam. Sorry. Okay. Okay. What? I have to do this. I have to do something. That was on. Put the wrist on her. My heart is literally beating so fast. So I had to do something. I'm trying to trade my friend, and she's like, I have to do this. I have to get my item back. Reload. No. 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 See it? No. Oh God. She better give it back. She better give it back tomorrow. I have her user on tape, so yes. So I just got scammed.